Hi everyone, so I'm going to try a pour using Unicorn SPiT Sparkling. I've used these two. I'll put it in the bottom. I don't like to use Unicorn SPiT in a lot of pours because I don't like to waste it. I like to use it on the wood stain or spread it out. It just seems like it uses too much. But I have it's basically my leftover black and blue paint acrylic. I've just mixed it together. And that's going to be the base of this. I got this at our local dollar store. And I taped off the back, which I don't know if it's going to help a lot. But I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to use the purple and red stain. And then I have the Unicorn SPiT in white acrylic paint. And the blue is Zia Teal. And then, of course, white acrylic, I said. So I'm just going to pour this all over and paint it. And it looks like I don't have enough, so I don't care. I'm just going to squirt this on here. There's a little Floetrol in it. I don't usually use too much. I would say it's 25%. I put it in the blue Unicorn SPiT, but only water to the shimmer, to the sparkling, because I don't know how that's going to react with sparkling, so I just did it that way. Trying to save as much as I can so I could use it in the pour. This is a drippy mess, but hopefully it'll be worth it. Just a regular foam brush, very cheap. Get a little closer to you. So I'm going to pour like this. And a lot of people do it in a circle. I'm not. I don't know. Just trying it in a weird way, see what happens. Because with art, you could try anything you want to. Probably have to show you out in the sun, which there isn't any today, but what it looks like with the shimmer in it. Oof, pretty runny. But we'll see what happens. I didn't use any silicone. Not bothering with it. And I think I'm going to leave some negative black space. It always looks a little better when you do. I'm wondering if I should experiment a little more. I like it. I do feel like the shimmer gets lost. That's a little hard. I'm going to try some more experimenting. Just going to do mostly full shimmer. Let's see what happens. Let's get some over here and over there. And some black. Okay. And a little white. Now I'm going to see what happens when I do this. You can make your own little designs. Swirl it out here, which I'm not, I don't like it like that exactly, but it's not the end because you can keep going. You can just stand it up to get rid of those lines. See there it's showing the canvas a bit, so probably have to fix that. And I just wipe up the paint here, just blob it on. I've even at the end painted black where I wanted black if some blob didn't look right. That doesn't matter, do whatever you gotta do. Looks kind of neat. I'm gonna wait and see how it looks when it's dried. Pretty cool. I might do something more of this. I'll save it. But overall, Unicorn SPiT is really good for its color and its vibrancy, and I like it for that, but I used a lot of shimmering, and we'll have to see when it's dried if it was worth the wait to do it, and it's worth the squirting all of it out, which is sad. I don't want to do that. But anyways, alrighty, have a good day.